Hey guys, I'm Kishan Shastri and welcome back to my channel. We are on the same spot where I shot the differences between BS4 and BS6. Now let me tell you the modification which you can do for the Himalayan. This is the stock one. You can see this is the BS6 new one and this is stock. He has added nothing over here as of now. And this is BS4 version completely modified. I will just let you know what are the things which he has added. You can see he has added the bark busters here. This is very useful when you have a fall. It will not break the lever. Because of this, the lever will be saved, brake levers and the clutch will be saved. And this is the top box, most useful while riding or touring long distances. And he has also mounted the saddle stay. You can see here. This saddle stay will be available in Royal Enfield showroom as well, but it will be more expensive. So opt it outside, either in Karol Bagh or JC Road, anywhere you can purchase those things. And this jerry can holder, you can see, just purchase a net. You can at least store 2 to 3 liters of water bottle, or when you go to Ladakh, which is meant for the Himalayan, you can store petrol here. That's very useful. The headlight of all the Royal Enfields are very bad, so everyone will opt for fog lamps. You can see he has purchased the fog lamps, even that is useful. The other things which he has done for his cockpits, you can see here the mobile holder along with the charger. This is fast charger, by the way. And he has also purchased the hazard switch, which was not present in the BS4 model, but it is present in the BS6, so you need not purchase this now. These are the minor modification which you can do, and this will not cost you more than 15,000 rupees. So aram se you can tour with only these modification. That will be the best one. Now that's it about the modification which you can do for the Royal Enfield Himalayan. You can do more, but these are sufficient for a regular tourer. That is sufficient, I guess. As per my knowledge, that is sufficient. I don't know, there are few bakras who modify too much, so I'm not speaking about those things. This is sufficient now. And also do hit that red subscribe button for more videos, and also like, share and comment on my videos. Bye. See you on the next one.